Hello everybody, this is Adrian for WapCar.my and I'm all about the details. So a couple has just messaged me asking me for car buying advice. They're looking for an entry-level family sedan, something that's not too expensive but spacious enough for in hopes of starting a new family. So we're going to see them because I have the perfect car for them. Hello Emma, hello Ahmad, good to see you all. Hi, so guys, they are here to ask me for car buying advice. They are looking for a sedan that's not too expensive. But Emma, let me just recap. What are you looking for in a car?
So actually, you're right, because we are looking for a spacious sedan, but it's not so expensive, and because we're thinking of settling down in future. We want a big boot, comfortable, spacious. Yeah, that's it.
Okay. So for cars at this price point, I don't think there's a lot of options, but here we have the 2022 Proton Persona. I think this will suit what you all need. Yeah, so let me just walk you through some of the features in this latest version. So you can see the front design is a little bit different. It's a bit sportier, sleeker. Down here the bumpers.
Design is so nice.
Yeah, it's quite nice. The rims are bigger. And inside is where you want to see the brown leather seats. This one is new. It's very premium. Looks very good. And in the center there, you see the armrest. I think this is also new in this Persona. You can have a seat. Yeah, so it's very comfortable. You got the new design, the floating touchscreen in the center.
Inside is like quite big.
Quite premium, right? Yeah. Quite premium looking, yes. So there are a lot of new features here and there, and it looks more expensive even though you're not spending too much. It looks expensive. And your concern would be in the back seats. Here you can see it's very spacious, very comfortable seats.
Yeah, true. Okay, actually, I really like the middle part.
Okay.
Because usually cars have these bumps. So like if you don't have bump, you can sit.
It's completely flat, 3 people.
Yeah,
you can have 3 people, no problem.
Yeah. I think this one also spacious for baby seats also.
Yes, you can put 2 baby seats, 1 on each side, no problem.
True, nice.
You can see you have quite a bit of knee room. Yeah. And for long distance, I think it's going to be very comfortable.
Right. Really? Can do?
Yes.
Yeah, USB charging.
USB charging ports.
Okay, nice.
There's a total of 6 USB charging ports in the car.
Oh my god,
so
6.
5 phones, 6 phones, no problem. You can just all leave it all charged up.
We cannot berebut dah.
Don't have to fight for USB charging ports, yes.
Yeah. Wow. Okay.
Big spacious boot for your baby strollers.
Yeah, true.
Big luggages, weekend getaways.
Yeah,
everything can masuk.
Every time if I holiday, I will pack like,
a lot of things.
Makeup, shoes, and
This is perfect. This will be perfect. But you know what would be even better? Is we go out for a test drive.
Oh, okay.
Come, let's go out for a test drive.
Wow.
Smooth, right?
Yeah.
Quite smooth.
It's very smooth.
Yes, because I also feel like kind of comfortable here because usually cars, they have like a vibration, the vibration, when we in the car, right?
This one is very quiet.
Yeah, very quiet.
Yes.
By the way, how about the consumption?
Fuel consumption. This car is actually better than the old Persona.
Oh.
Why? Because there's now an eco mode in the center there. So if nak jimat minyak, you just tekan eco mode, then the car will save a bit of fuel.
Oh, nice.
Yes.
Actually, I really in love with the leather.
The leather, right?
Yeah,
the brown color leather.
The dark color makes it look so expensive.
Makes it look expensive. Yeah. Instead of the normal black color. Yeah, this one is. Feels
so
good
nice.
also.
Yeah.
It's good.
So luxury.
Yeah, luxury.
Nice.
Then now that we're gone on the highway, how you feel? How do you feel on the highway?
Okay,
It's very good.
It's very good.
Yeah.
Stable. Okay lah. Selesa kan? Dia ada sports mode. Kalau nak main sikit. Yeah. So the gear you tarik bawah. Masuk sports mode.
Wow. So
Okay.
Oh, tekan a bit, no problem. But most important, as a family car, smooth lah. The car, quiet, comfortable.
True.
Yeah. And maintenance, this car not bad. Okay, boleh tahan. So in 5 years, you spend about 3,000 over ringgit. So within 5 years, so every year is less than 1,000 ringgit to service, maintenance.
Very important also, right? Because if we buy car, then selalu rosak.
Yeah, selalu rosak, maintenance mahal-mahal. Yeah, also tak syok lah. Yes.
This one, the maintenance very
Senang. It's okay. Ada 5 years warranty, tiada masalah. So
that's nice.
So there's another cool feature in this Persona, right? I think you all love it. Hi Proton. Open window. Cool, right? Hi Proton. Close windows.
Wow, so cool.
So it's quite smart lah. But
So nice.
Oh.
and the windows down, dia bising sikit, so
So
tak
like,
boleh.
if we just cakap hi Proton, play music.
Yeah, play music. You can play music. You can navigate. You can control the aircon. So you can say, "Hi Proton, I am hot." So dia tukar sejuk sikit.
Okay.
Yeah, so fancy lah.
So cool.
So I think for a car of this price, this one is a very cool feature. 55,000. Seriously. So suka tak?
Very
Yeah,
nice.
Very worth it.
Yeah. Worth it?
Yeah, I mean
Yeah.
like the system, the
System,
design,
feature,
and
design.
spacious. Yeah, for 55,000, it's very nice price.
Yeah, good
It's
for
very,
family sedan lah. as
affordable,
starting.
so affordable. Seriously,
Okay. So boleh booking tak?
of course.
Boleh
booking.
Terus.
Terus booking. Okay.
Dia suka
Dia
the
suka,
one
yeah.
try
Hi
Proton.
Proton.
It was like wow.